Hello everybody, I'm Jasper from Jaboscreations. Welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to try out a voiceover video. Please let me know in the comments down below what you think about this. As you can see, this is another acrylic pouring video. The way how I learned how to do this is mixing 50-50 of a paint thinner called floetrol with acrylic paint, and then you add a little bit of water until you get the consistency that you want. I pre-mixed it all, so if you want to see how I mix these pre-mixed colors, then you can check out the more extensive video in the description down below. I've been layering these pre-mixed colors layer by layer in a cup, and now I'm flipping it. I'm letting this flipped cup stand for a bit so that all the paint has some time to drip down slowly. I am adding some pre-mixed black over the edges. This will help to cover up the edges more quickly and also improve the overall flow of the paint. In a few moments I will lift up the cup, and then I will stop babbling for a bit and just let you enjoy and relax watching the flow of this pour. Entered the final phase of this painting, which is adding some heat. I'm using a food burner, one of those small ones that you can also get to make things like creme brulee. With this burner I go over the painting at a sort of a distance that's not too close because you don't want to burn it, but close enough that you can see the paint heating up. And what this does is the heat will activate cell formation so that you will get more cells. And here's the final result. If you like this video, then please like this video and let me know in the comments down below whether you prefer watching a video like this with the voiceover, or if you would rather just watch the painting with some relaxing or chill music. And of course, if you like my work, then please check out my various playlists. Watching more of the videos of a YouTuber is the best way to support their channel. But that's it for now. I wish you all a wonderful day and hope to see you in the next video.